At the news, I inherited the Christmas Springboks laptop. I could not believe my eyes. The Eddie Jones hailed Springboks boasts Rassie Christmas in his latest Planet Rugby column ahead of the 2025 Rugby Championships. Is it wrong? As someone that coached sides against Rasmus for many years now, I have come to admire the man greatly. And as we move into the rugby championship, it's always exciting to see what antics he's going to come up with next. The Rassi is a cult figure in South Africa and rugby itself now, but to view him just as that is wide of the mark. The man is a quiet, brilliant, and super detailed coach, one that fully understands the DNA of Springboks rugby, yet plays around the option on the fingers to move their game to new heights. He's like a guy that always buys a Mercedes every year, sticking to their core qualities but changes the options and spec every time to see what to work best and what meets his current needs. But by that I mean he never stays far from the core brand, but he's always looking to find new competitive advantage to spot that bedrock of direct physical and real superiority. In 2007, I took over from Rice Brassi at the Springboks our technical advisor. He moved to the Somers at that time as head coach, leaving the technical role vacant. I inherited his laptop from the book management and I could not believe my eyes at the detail and the depth of the work I found on it. Every player, every team, and every scenario had deep playbooks and strategy around them. There was already hardly a hole in this work, all intertwined by logic, proof, and really importantly, all placed within the context of the way the books played. It was a teaser through rugby data and analysis that really had a huge impact on me, and it made me realize that deep technical understanding that Rassi has underneath is charismatic media persona. Selection key, there's a lot of noise now that South Africa have five potential test quality teams that they can or could name, but that's a smoke screen and means very little at a standalone. In simple terms, you can only play 15 players and 80 placements, so the argument is academic. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.